Okay, so hey guys, Jackson here. Earlier this morning, Nightstar and I found a baby bird. It hit the cement and then a dog tried to eat it. Now we're just trying to give it back to its mother.
Whoa! Jace, don't! You're gonna scare the mother off.
And then we can't, like, give back the baby bird. I am gonna do some jumping on the trampoline with Nightstar. Ow! My dog. Are you just happy that my dog bite's healing?
No.
Okay, I'm back.
Mine starts off.
Oh my God! It's so hard to do it because I got a tablet.
Yeah.
Yeah!
Concrete.
I mean, just look at that face.
Hey, what the hell?
What?
What the heck? What's that? Looks like some kind of bird, but different.
What color?
Oh, it's a whole, like, I don't know. Kind of brown?
Jeez.
And then it was big.
Anna, just bring back the bird.
Bigger than the eagle.
No, but we can't jump.
How about we live in one place, and then here the mother might come after. Come on, everyone off the trampoline. We're gonna leave it right here.
But I want to jump. No, ow. Yeah, but the baby bird, and then I put him on.
So mean.
Buddy, don't fly off.
Ready? Fly. Ready to fly?
Okay, we're gonna let. Oh no!
Fly away.
Did it crash land?
That's where the snakes are.
Should I go get it?
Oh my God, is that bird dookie? Bird dookie.
Look at what that bird did to the trampoline.
Oh, come on. Now it's going to take forever for it to dry. Damn. Oh God, don't touch it.
Okay, oh my God. I didn't sin! Okay, I am gonna go get the baby bird. And we'll go to Nightstar with jumping.
Yeah, here's some helpful tips. Go die. Nah, I'm just joking. Seriously, we gotta clean up this bird dookie. It'll be alright if I use this, right? He wouldn't mind. Okay, then place it on it. Make it soak. Let it soak for a little bit. And that's not how you clean it at all. Now throw it away. Now, helpful tips. When you jump, you gotta jump high. That's all. Thank you. Now, how am I supposed to clean that bird dookie? Seriously. Oh, I know. Man, we got lots of garbage around here. People keep dumping their garbage around. Ow. Helpful tip. Use anything that you find. Even gum. Didn't work. Should we use this? I don't actually know at all. Use some duct tape. Poor ground. What the heck are they doing? They try to catch that bird again. I swear to God, Mom's gonna. And they caught it. Woo. That's great. I know lots of people hate me. Even if on the trampoline. Hey, what did I say? Don't call it that. It's bird dookie. Get off the trampoline! No!
What do birds eat?
Worms, that's all.
And hey,
Shit.
I'm a good wind catcher. I can find worms.
you're not. Yeah, I'll kill you.
And I am back. Firefox Musical, the best out of our family. No. Has a bird. Where is she?
Best option ever.
I gotta go. Firefox Musical can't do anything. Let's try and go for, I don't know how much likes. Look at that bird.
I'll let you down right there.
Donna.
I wanted to actually come.
Da-da. Oh, baby bird, baby bird. Oh my God! Don't jump on me like you did. Oh! Taya is doing it. Where'd it go?
Right there.
I got a bad feeling that it's not gonna make it.
It's gonna make it.
I think it's gonna fall.
Make it.
I say fall.
I say true.
True.
There.
How do you dare it's gonna make it? Go, fly up in the biggest tree you can find.
He might crash land into a tree and break his arm.
No, Harry crash landed in cement. Wait, do we even have cement around here?
Yeah, right there, over there. Yeah, okay, I'm gonna end this video here. Let's go for 100 likes, at least. I don't know. I will see you guys when I make another video. Bye.